Mata abajo, mata abajo. Ah, súbela. Holy crap. Oh, he's eating the apples from his hands. He's Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one. Sorry.
Take it home. He just bites harder.
Is he a baby? Does it hurt?
No.
What's that?
Has it got something in his mouth or something?
Yeah, his arm.
No, come on.
To come out this way. Hopefully my brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't they come and like, you know?
Channel 7 News are coming right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with like the several layers that he has.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No.
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's gonna come up. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
Làmด้วยอ่ะ làm